Hey, welcome back to YesWeRentHouses.com, where you can make one of our next listings a home. All you have to do is click the link and apply to any of our listings, and you can make one of our houses your next home. So this is a 3-bedroom property. Let me tell you about all the bells and whistles. Beautiful property, huge house, 3 spacious bedrooms. It has a walkout deck off of one of the bedrooms. It comes with a parking pad, central air, washer, and dryer. Now that we got that out of the way, you can see there's plenty of closet space in each bedroom. New flooring in each bedroom as well. I'm gonna walk you in to the second bedroom. Again, more closet space. In the front bedroom has really high ceilings. May I add, ceiling fans. I can hear my echo in here. That means we need some furniture. We need some furniture, folks. Apply today. Apply today so you and your family can move in. This is the bathroom. Vanity. Nice sink, tub, ceramic surround. This property will not last long. Plenty of public transportation, schools. There's actually a golf course less than a block away. Carpeting down the steps. Fireplace. Living room. Gonna walk through the kitchen. Plenty of storage space in the unfinished basement as well. This is a dining room off of the kitchen. A lot of natural light comes into this property with all the windows. Really nice sized windows. It doesn't feel small at all. There's a half bath in the laundry room in the rear of the property. Again, folks, visit YesWeRentHouses.com. Apply today. This property will not last in East Baltimore. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.